And guess where I am? Yes, I guess you can hear me. I'm at the dog park and it's cold. Yes, it is. Connor's got his little outfit on. I've got my coat on. You know, one thing good about the mask is keeps your face sort of warm, you know? And that's okay. But anyway, I'm gonna sit out here with Connor for a while. It's Christmas Eve day. Sun shining, it looks like it's warm, but the wind is just a whipping. And I got up this morning and made me some bacon and eggs and biscuits and good cup of coffee and listened to some Irish Christmas music this morning. And waiting on see what happens today and tonight and tomorrow. I'm hoping that you're thinking sweet thoughts. I'll be by myself, but you know what? My kids are going to come visit. I'm glad, and Gina and I are going to have lunch together, and that's good. And I guess my hair's falling out. This cold weather gave it a shock. But anyway, I don't think I'm going to read anything today. I may start a new crochet project, or I may paint, or I may just, I don't know, bask in the sunshine that's coming through my bedroom window today. I watered and fertilized the plants in the window, and the geranium just dropped its very last bloom. And but it'll have another one as long as we have sunny days. You know, it's in a south window, and it should be very, very good. My citronella is just growing like crazy, and so are some other plants that I have. And the only one that's struggling right now is my shamrock, and it's only because it's just the time of the year. It seems to rest a little bit. I did check outside, and that little stick-em-up bush is still alive out on my front porch, which surprised me. I'm trying to find out if it'll survive outside in the winter. Now, I do have it on the deck on the porch where the wind can't really hit it too hard, but the frost can still get it, even though it's a covered area. But we'll see how that all works out. I'm going to be boiling some eggs, making deviled eggs. I've got 4 eggs left. I don't know how I did that. I knew I was going to make deviled eggs. But I do believe Jeannie said she had some if I ran out. So I was saying no, but maybe I should. But it should be good. Turkey and dressing and hot rolls. And we're going to have artichoke dip, and I got a cheese ball. I guess I told you that. So anyway, that's what we're going to have. Either tonight or tomorrow, according to when she gets ready to cook. We might not have it until after Christmas. Who really knows? You know, we're just retired folks working on our own little schedules, and getting up when we want, go to bed when we won't. Retirement is really great after you adjust to knowing that you're your own boss. You know, when you're working for somebody else for 50 years or something, always work for somebody else. It's really quite nice to retire. But enjoy the day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'm sure I'll be talking to you tomorrow, because I'll be opening presents tomorrow and pull out all my Christmas cards so I can have all my friends around me on Christmas. So I just won't feel alone. Yeah. Even though my kids are going to come see me. But, you know, this virus, I'm afraid for them to even be out. You know, that they say it's mutated to something even more challenging. And but anyway, it is what it is. Life is what it is, and we're in it. Ain't they right, Connor? Connor, you gotta see Connor. Let me get him. Connor, come here. Come here, baby. Come here, you little rascal. I know you want to come over here, Dave. Have me with quick. I think he gained weight. Okay. Yes, this is your mama under here, believe it or not. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. I got my little outfit on. Yeah, yeah. It's Mama. I know I look scary. I look scary. I know I do. Merry Christmas, you guys, from Connor and me. Oh, you want to get up on, you want to ride on the rollator today, huh? You want to ride? No?